never had problems getting that out.
You have a problem getting it out?
Never.
I've always had a problem getting it out. Okay, he was trying to jerk on it for a few minutes. I was trying to get some big screwdrivers back in and kind of work it back and forth from this side and this side together. That didn't work. So now I'm going to make a tool. I don't have a tool, so get enough parts here. We can make what we need. So this will go in the shaft, protect that. Because this is so small, it'll probably spread the end of the crank, which is not good. These are some long-ass metric Allens I found. And I got a stack of washers to fit in a big slot here, like that. And I got 3 jaw pullers, so we can pick up 3 of the bolts. So we got 6 bolts, works in 3. That's better than 2. Let's see if we can make this work. Not to make me a real tool, but for now, we're going to do it this way. What are you doing there? Tell me, you know what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just doing what I saw you do. Yeah.
I'm trying to break stuff. What are you trying to do?
That's what you ain't trying to do. I ain't seen you break nothing yet.
It's a work car, man. Hardly work. Here. Make sure you're going to deep enough on these and pull the darn aluminum piece of crap off.
Hey, y'all.
Okay.
Hey.
Put that in there.
How come you didn't use that tool when I was doing that?
So I was stupid. I was sick. I couldn't think.
What up, brother?
Now I'm just stupid.
Oh, okay.
Well, 9/16. Look at that. Are you blocking my view again?
Oh, no, sir. Tatro, you a bad dude, man.
It's coming on pretty hard.
Is it?
Yeah.
So that means what, it's stripping something?
I only can go that far.
Because of the bolts is too long?
And I could have bottomed out on the thread in there. So now I gotta take off my protective sleeve and just
Go in a little farther.
just run it right against the darn thread. But most of the pressure's off already, but it's still coming up hard. I got enough length here, just enough to make it here this way. So I had to machine the washer out on that thing to make it slide on and off again.
On what?
In here, the washer get tightened down too many times or over torque, and then it comes off like this.
It's kind of funny you use that Jim's tool on his bike.
This ain't a Jim's tool.
You made me struggle.
Right, bottom down. Okay, I got it. All right.
You know, I give a person props when it's due, right? I
Let-
like the boy's bike, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you remove a clutch basket with the proper tools when it is locked on there pretty tight. For what reasons, we do not know.
We got proper tools here?
Yes, sir. Here at Tatro Machines, we do carry all your Harley tools and needs here. Take care of you.
That must be high gear.
Half a clip. Yeah, that's neutral.
That's okay, so why is this so tight?
Looks like you put Loctite on it.
No.
It's Loctite with rusty brown goo.
That's why it's brown.
I didn't do it.
You're not the one that did it?
No.
Yeah, some dumbass did. Right, Tatro?
I don't know, I didn't do it.
Had to be a dumbass.
All I know is the darn thing over here didn't want to come off, so I know. I have some metric bolts I still have.
Hey, so you got to pull your inner primary off too, right?
That's what the whole these are.
Pull them things out. Pull them things out of the
These?
Yeah. No, take the
You gotta get the starter on that first.
Take what out? This?
Oh, that got to come out.
I don't even know.
Why not?
I need to pull that crap out.
It's gonna pull out when you pull off the inner primary.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it will.
No, it won't.
You want to bet?
Nope.
You know what? You're right, Tatro. It won't.
You bottomed out my tool and broke it.
But I don't even know which way they go in. Tatro knows which way they go in. I think they go
I don't know
backwards.
how the hell they go in there. I think I work on this crap.
I think they go like this. Bevel.
It's the third one I've had apart. And I had help each time putting it back together. And let me tell you, that was some good help too.
Who's the dumbass that helped you?
Tone low.
Let me give you a haircut on camera, Tatro.
Why? Can't be along here.
My hippie days are over with.
They are. I can't get my hair cut because there's fucking viruses out there. The splines look like they're all right, but they sure don't go on and off very easy. But you can see that washer in there. It's probably been crushed. It needs to be taken apart, dealt with. But not right now. We got more important stuff to work on. Important stuff.
We got smaller problems than that.
Okay, so how many bolts we got to take out?
5.
5.
Right?
I see 4. Nope,
One,
there's another
two.
one up underneath.
5, and then the starter bolt.
Okay, we need some air pressure.
Oh, let me see that screwdriver.
Hook up some air tools, we'll be back.
Where's the screwdriver? Let me get this. Let me see. That's all
I
you gotta
do.
do.
Okay,
Okay,
so
well, come
now
over
we're
here
gonna go
and
ahead
show
and
me
pull
what you
out
take off,
the
Tom.
rest of these
Come
bolts
forward.
right here. And they're gonna figure out, how to get the starter off. Just gotta take the plug out right there, all you gotta do. That plug right there. Should be a little tab on something you can press.
I don't see it.
Okay, are these
Push it
American?
in, right here.
Are these American
Push
bolts?
this in.
Hey, these are American
Push it
bolts.
in, right here in the middle. Pull it out. See where my finger is?
Yeah,
Right
give me a
here.
little something. Give me something. Give me something over there, Tone, that'll go in there.
Use your finger.
Look at it.
Let me see.
Squeeze that. Squeeze it.
Inside of here?
No,
I've got no air pressure.
you need to squeeze this part on the outside. There you go.
That's not enough air pressure to work.
That's it, Tone?
We're lacking air pressure there. My airline don't work? There it goes. We're down here.
See, these one-handed guns.
Yeah, we ain't got much air pressure on here.
No, you don't.
That's low.
Fine.
Alright, get that thing off.
Oh, hold it, Tone. Hold it, because I got to push this out and you got to lift up on
You gotta
it.
take the starter off.
You can't.
Huh?
Mikey took this whole thing off with the starter on it because he stripped the bolt.
I didn't touch that.
Stripped this bolt too.
Okay. That's gonna slide out as we come out. I don't think it's gonna clear your chain.
Yeah, he took that off like that and put it on like that.
No, he didn't. The chain's in the way. You're gonna come off that way. No way.
So why aren't you taking the starter bolt off?
You ain't listening to me.
You said it's stripped. That's why we're here to
How can
fix
you
all
take it
stripped
off?
parts.
How can you take it off?
Same way he took that
There's the
strip bolt out of
starter
that
back there,
fucking
the chain's in the way.
It's not this one, bro.
Now, if you didn't have the chain on
Which one is
there,
The one back there.
It's not even in.
you might be able to slip it off. But
It
All right.
is a bolt in it is a bolt in there,
yeah, it's an
bro.
Allen. You probably
I'll
got
see
it.
it.
Probably is stripped off, I bet.
He stripped the head on it, man.
Tatro get it out. You should have went to Harley with the original and got a new bolt.
I didn't know Lorenzo was at Harley. I was here when I called him. He told me to call y'all to find
Every
someplace.
strip bolt I would ask him to bring me. Grab me 2 brand new bolts for my starter.
There it is right there. That bolt right there.
And bring me whatever else is stripped along this. I change.
Tatro got them. I'm gonna get them from Tatro.
I ain't gonna argue with you.
Tatro got them. He showed me. He showed me the
I'm
bolt.
about to go get
All right, I'm gonna see if my Allen's will work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to get a real long ass drill.
Labor Day.
I don't know if I have one. We'll see. Okay, the bolt is definitely stripped. I got the first one out, no problem. That other one up under there is stripped, which is the one that's way up under the silver one right there. So, luckily I have an extra long drill bit I bought for something. So that means I can go in here with this, like this, right like there, and drill it out. Perfect. At least we're going to try to. If we're lucky, the starter will fall off.
Huh?
I said if we're lucky, the starter will fall off.
Well, yeah, after we take, oh, you took that bolt out already. Oh, they paid for that. That just paid for that ass she got over there. Tatro.
Let's see. Should be the bolt, I hope. See how long this drill lasts. Hopefully it'll last all the way through. Sound very good.
Huh?
That's horrible sounding. That drill is junk. That drill is already dead, and I just got started. Alright, we're going to go hand sharpen that again. I don't know, this thing might be overheat treated or something, who knows. We'll be back. Alright, I resharpened it, so see if it cuts.
Huh? Nothing came off, didn't he? But the starter didn't unhook.
Yeah, this drill is not cutting at all. It just burns the end of this thing right off. It doesn't even begin to cut. This drill is crap.
But he got it off, right?
No. Push the starter out, maybe. I don't know. This drill ain't gonna work. I can just try reheat treating it. Maybe it'll get harder, but I'm pushing on the damn thing, moved sideways, and got tangled up in electrical. Electric cabling was eating on it. Wiring or something up there. It's gotta go up in the air to clear.
Let me lift up on the back side of the starter. Let me see a screwdriver, Tatro.
It's not gonna go up. The chain is in the way. If you didn't have the chain on the bike, it would come off. But you have a chain.
So we gotta loosen the wheel and pull the wheel forward.
The chain stops all movement. Yes, it's hitting the chain. If the chain wasn't there, it would come out. I can't drill it out because the drill's not doing good. I don't really want to deal with this stupid ass chain, but
I don't see how we can't.
so if we drop the axle, we can probably
Dropping the axle.
Jack the bike up, pull the axle out, move the wheel forward, the chain will droop way down. I should be able to get to pull this off.
The chain gonna have to come off that front sprocket.
Doesn't have to come off the sprocket, just needs to come over.
Well,
You can just
oh,
okay, I'm gonna get Jack. We'll be back. Okay, it got dark.
didn't I give you your glasses?
So I got the starter out. So we had to pull the shock on the other side to get the axle out, to drop the chain down low enough, like that we can pull the starter out with the primary attached. And then I tried drilling the Allen out, but the Allen's harder than hell. So all it did was kill my damn drill, another one. So then I had to just cut the head of the bolt off with a chop saw, which got a little deep right there. And then I had to knock the top of the rest of the head off with a chisel. And then the starter came off. And it took about an hour. So this time I'm gonna put some bolts in here to good. Like I said, when you have a problem, stop, back up and fix it. If you keep going on like this, it gets worse and worse and worse. Okay, all this stuff looks good. So now we gotta figure out what we came here to fix. What are these? Ah. Okay, so that thread there is obviously gone. That one looks like it might be there. Okay, where's our bolts at? Let's see here. These things are supposed to be 5/16, but there ain't no damn way. These are 1/4-inch bolts, like I thought. That one's obviously stripped all the way out also, and that one looks like it's still there. But the Allen bolts are gone. Alright, so I'm gonna go find some heater coils and some bolts. Be back.